Hi and welcome to another Watch Geek video. Today we're just gonna do a short unboxing and some channel news. Now when it comes to the channel news, if you noticed, if you follow my channel, I have started adding an Amazon link in my descriptions. What's happening is that I managed to get the affiliate partnership with Amazon signed, and it's something that some of you guys proposed, and I didn't know how all that works, and now once it got approved and I started using it, I'm actually liking it. Why? Because I see it as another way of you guys donating to the channel. So far you were able to donate through PayPal and through Patreon, and now you can also do it through Amazon. And the cool thing is that I will usually put in the description, I will put a link to the watch that I'm actually reviewing. However, you don't have to buy the actual watch for me to get a donation or a fee. You just have to use that link to get to Amazon, and then once you're there, whatever you buy, I mean there are some products that are excluded, but most of the products that you buy, I will get a little fee. So in other words, if let's say you watch my channel and you really like what I'm doing and you want to help me or you want to donate, I'm not telling you go and buy on Amazon, but if by any chance you are actually going to buy something from Amazon or you have to buy something from Amazon, you can use that link and that way I will get a small commission. I find it pretty cool because, like I said, you don't have to buy the product that I put in the link, but any product on Amazon. So that's the number one news. And the number two news is that I just got a watch in, and it's a Ginault. So let's open it. Now Ginault contacted me about 2 weeks ago and asked me if I would like to review their watch. Now when it comes to these reviews where I get sent watches for reviews, I only have one condition. I'm not a watch snob. I'm not gonna say, oh, your brand is beneath me or something like that, but I always do write back with an email saying that I have only one condition, and that condition is that I get to say whatever I want to say. So if I don't like something about a watch, I get to say it. If I like something about a watch, I get to say it. I'm not gonna be doing product promotions in the way that you tell me what to say and you send me the script. And usually when companies contact me, but let's open this up and we can talk as I open the box. When the companies contact me, they usually, ask me if I'm willing to do a review, and then when I send that reply back that I will do it under my conditions where I get to say whatever I want to say, none of them is gonna say no, but most of them, not most of them, but all of them suddenly have problems with distribution or this or that, or they simply do not reply back. So that's why Spinnaker has a lot of my respect, because they were actually the first company that actually sent me the watch after they received my email where I say I'm gonna do a review, but I'm gonna do whatever I want to do. They were the first ones to do it, and that's why they will always have my respect. Now Ginault, on the other hand, is the first company where I didn't have to reply using that email, because their email said, please take a look at our watch, say what you like, what you dislike. If you hate something, please do say it. We want honest opinion. We do not want product promotion. And I was pretty impressed by their confidence in this product. So I replied, sure, I will do it. I'm glad that I didn't have to include my usual reply. And just to explain why this is so rare, because recently I started getting a lot of emails from brands, watch brands, where they will not just tell me what to say, but they will ask me how much do I charge for a review, and if I can show them results of my reviews correlating to the sales, like I'm some kind of an ad agency. So this is how far these brands are going to go. And I simply replied to them that they really have the wrong channel and the wrong guy. They should talk to someone else that are more into this kind of business, because I always want to do an honest review. So kudos to Ginault for having confidence to just send it to me and not care what I'm gonna say about the watch. And like I said, kudos to Spinnaker. The rest of the brands, unfortunately, if you see a brand on my channel, that means that they agreed to my terms of the review. And I do get sometimes where you actually get a script of what you have to include in the video, and those kind of emails and requests actually make me laugh. So I really refuse them right at the start. Okay, let's get it out of this. And this is actually a Pretty nice box. It's like a leatherette. Whether it's leather, I doubt, but it does look nice. So let's open this baby. This is the... oh, this is the timing data. So Ginault has caused a lot of controversy because it's an homage watch that costs quite a lot. They're proud in their quality and all that. And as you can see, you get even my name and everything, a warranty. The packaging is actually very, very nice. You get a little cloth and you get an extra strap. Cool, and it's a two-piece NATO, which is what I love. I hate NATOs. I mean regular NATOs. You get a little tool, and here is the actual watch. Now let's take a look. And the cool thing about this is that I actually just finished recording my review of a Ginault Ocean 1 Premium, and I also have a Tissel coming in as a loaner from one of my friends. So I'm planning on doing a lot of macro shots with my new lens, comparing this and Ginault and Tissel, just to see what you get at different price points. So let's open this thing up. And I went for the no date because, to be honest, if I were buying a Submariner, I would also go for a no date. And the peeling off, which is probably the best part of this hobby. Okay, this is a very nice watch. The strap, the buckle. I will naturally have to size it. Oh, the buckle opens really nicely. Yes, very positive click. Very good. And it has the glide lock, if I remember correctly. Yes, it does. I think I have a lot of this plastic. I will have to take this off before I play with the glide lock. It has a lot of protective film on it. So this is the watch. Nice bezel action. Pretty cool so far. Anyways, this is, like I said, just an unboxing, and I have to admit I really like the packaging. It's really well thought out. Now, please stay tuned for the review, as I will be doing, like I said, a detailed review of this, and probably another bonus video where I'm going to compare this to those other three. And like I said, in the future, if you want to help the channel, you can also use the Amazon affiliate account. I mean, affiliate link in the description. Well, that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video, and until the next video, bye.